Hello everyone. Last class I explained to you how balancing rule is done. Using the same concept, we can add as many numbers with any number of digits. Let's see the addition of a list of 3-digit numbers and how the balancing rule is applied to get the final answer in this tutorial. So here are our numbers. As you can see, there are 3 digits and we are going to add each set of digits separately. This is one, this is another, this is yet another one. So we get 3 answers, and how the balancing rule is applied we will see. So starting from this end, 0 plus 4 which is 4, 4 plus 9, 13 which is 3 in mind and hyphen here, 3 plus 1, 4 and 4 plus 8, 12 which is a hyphen and a 2. So the answer here will be 2. Since there are 2 hyphens, you will write a 2 first and the last digit will be 2. Now coming to the next set, 2 plus 0, 0. Same way, however we did here, the same thing we will do for each set of digits. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7 and 7 plus 6, 11. 7 plus 6, 13. So the answer here will be, only one hyphen is there, so it is 1 and 3. 3 plus 8, 11. 11, 1 in mind and a hyphen here. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. So the answer here will be 1 hyphen and 19. So we are going to apply the balancing rule to get the final answer. So this 2 will come down as 2. Then this 2 will be added to 3. So the answer will be 5. This 1 will be added to 9. So 1 plus 9 is 10. So you will only write 0 here and 1 will be carried forward to this one. So the last, so this digit will become 1 plus 1, 2. Final answer is 2052. That is the sum of these 3-digit numbers. Suppose we want to apply balancing rule for these set of numbers. How do you do it? This 3 will come down directly as 3. 8 plus 2, 10. We will write only 0. 1 will be carried forward to this number. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Then 6 plus 2 will be 8. So 6 will become 8. Then this digit will come down directly. Our answer will be 8803. This 3 will come down here. 8 plus 2, 10. This 10 we will add. This 10 we will write only 0 here and 1 will be carried forward to this digit. So this digit itself will become 6. But again you have to add this with 2 here. So this 6 plus 2 will become 8 and this 8 will come down like that. So it will be 8803. The same rule can be extended to how many ever numbers are there. If it is 4-digit, 5-digit or 6 digits list, then you will get a sum like this first. So we will apply balancing rule to this to get the final answer. Let's see, for example, this one. 5 will come down as 5. 1 plus 9 is 10. So only 0 will come here. 1 will be added to this digit. So this digit is 1 plus 1, 2 here. 2 plus 0, it is 2. Then 8 plus 4, it is 12. So only 2 here and 1 will be carried forward here. 6 plus 1, 8. This 6 plus 1 is 7. This digit is 7. Now, and 7 plus 5, it is 12. So only 2 here and we will move 1 to this digit. So 4 plus 1, 5 is the end digit. The answer will be 5222205. So by extending this balancing rule to any set of numbers, you can add a list of numbers mentally using Vedic Maths. If you have any questions or any doubts or anything, you can either put in the comments below or you can mail me. The email ID is also given in the description below. Thank you.